Welcome to this absolutely stunningly beautiful farmhouse set in the Dordogne countryside. It's an absolute favourite area of mine because I actually live here myself as well. I'm just one of the neighbours. The property sits in around 2 acres of land. It's absolutely beautiful. Sunflower fields all around. There's a swimming pool, we have tennis courts, we have truffle trees, and the property has been renovated to a really, really high standard. I don't often see them of this high standard, and so it's really, really worth. As you can see around, it's complete solitude. All you can hear is the birds singing. There's a beautiful lake at the end of the drive, and the property itself has a barn, triple garaging, 3 bedrooms, beautiful outside terracing area. So let's go inside and have a look. Well, I hope you enjoyed that wonderful tour of this beautiful property, and if you'd like more information, have a look on the link below.